Hi stylers, welcome back to another video. If you're new here, I am Renee. I share all things home decor. So we're going to paint outside this house, so I hope you enjoy this video. So I'm currently in I'm currently in Super Valley. I'm going to check out the paint that them have here because I need some more paint. And this is a Super Valley on Manningsville Road, so you guys can come and check it out just in case you guys are interested in any paint and other hardware supplies. So I'm going to check out what kind of paint they have, and then I can start painting outside. Alright, so the paint I'm thinking of is this Everglow from Berger. You guys know I love Berger paint. It's one of the paint that don't give me any problem, and I like the finish that it gives as well, and the whitey on the wall. I think I should buy this for my room and living room as well. So, but now I'm purchasing paint for the outdoor, for the board section. So I'm looking for this white one. So this is an Everglow. This is the white one that I'm going to purchase. So I'm waiting on somebody to come and finalize, and then I'm also going to get paintbrush and rollers. Berger. No, mine. So we're going to paint the walls in gray. It's a pewter paint from Berger, P-E-W-T-E-R. It's a weatherproof paint actually. And then the board we're going to paint in the white paint that we just purchased from Super Value. So this one I actually purchased from the color shop. If you had watched my content creation vlog, you would see that I purchased this one here.